One of the hardest parts of moving isn't just packing your life into boxes. It's deciding what you're ready to let go of. Hiya, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Missy. You can call me the Black Coffee without cream or sugar. And yes, by now you know my family and I, we are preparing to leave the UK. And as we prepare to leave, we're going through all of our things, trying to decide what to go with and what to give away. And it's so difficult. And honestly, I did not expect it to be this emotional because whew, the emotional attachment to a lot of things makes it so difficult to let go, but let's see what can be done. We realized very quickly that we can't take everything with us. So we've been intentional about what truly matters for this next chapter. Some things are practical and some things just carry memories. This process has reminded me that not everything has to come with us. And sometimes letting go is part of moving forward and starting afresh. It's strange how ordinary things can hold so much meaning until you have to decide whether to keep them or let them go. Instead of holding on to everything, we decided to donate what we no longer needed to charity and people around our neighborhood. It feels good knowing these things can still be useful to someone else, especially other babies. I'm learning that moving isn't just about changing locations. It's about releasing one season so you can fully step into the next. We're slowly closing this chapter of our life in the UK and making space for a new beginning in Kenya. taking one by one, Tony. Is it remaining? Oh. You gave them the bag.